Welcome back, my friends. This is going to be how to make the YouTube logo and the TikTok logo inside of Fortnite Creative 1.0 without any UEFN required. This is the result for the YouTube logo, and this is the result for the TikTok logo. We're going to start with YouTube. The timestamp for TikTok will be on the screen. We're going to start with the primitive shape galleries. We're going to need one of these triangles, specifically this triangle here. And the second thing we're going to need is this square right here. Now the last piece we need is a corner piece. It's a flat corner piece. It's right here. Right, bam. Okay, we're going to start off by getting this corner piece right here, and we're going to resize it 16 in all. So go to your quick menu and set grid snap to 32. Set resize axis to all. It's on the right of your screen, so it will tell you which button to click. For me, it's the right on D-pad, and you can go set that to all. And we're going to resize it 16 times in all, so like this. After we've done that, we're going to go set that resize axis to height, like that, and we're going to resize it 1 up. Now I want you to set the color of this primitive shape to red. It's the second option, so you open the settings of it and you set it to its second option. We're going to go grab our corner piece and we're going to place it like this. One here, another here, and then you're going to rotate it by making sure your resizing is off by holding B on controller, and I don't know what it is on keyboard and mouse. It should tell you. You're going to rotate it in your axis like this. Now do the same thing by going down one and then doing it again, and then you can place the final piece right here, and then you're going to delete the insider pieces. So you're just going to have to outline the corner pieces alone. Get this a square piece here, this square. We do need to resize it in height though, so using what I taught you before, resize it in height and put it down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So put it down 7 in height, and we're going to switch its color to red. Let's just fit it all in. Okay, once you have done that, you're going to see all these little like sort of creases in your build. So to remove that, you're going to turn grid snap. Now we are going to press the right on D-pad on 2 of these pieces to multi-select. So you're going to go to your quick menu and set editor camera to immersive to be really precise, and move these pieces back a little. You do have to adjust for pieces a lot. Just do it until you get it right, and do that for each side. Now I've fixed the creases. Now there are lines in between the build. We're going to grab a piece, don't change your camera at all, resize it in width and in depth until it covers that square. And final piece, the triangular piece, and we're going to place it in the center. And it really doesn't matter how much you resize it, just resize it to whatever works best for you. So for me, 8 works best. Do whatever works best for you. Now we're going to move on to the TikTok logo. We're going to go grab this piece here, and then the quarter circle. And then we're going to get 2 different square pieces. This one here, the rounded square, sharp square. Okay, we're going to start with this piece here. But grab the quarter piece, and you're going to resize it up in all axis on 32 grid snap 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Place it, change your resizing to rotating, and rotate it like this. Now you're going to grab one of these pieces, rotate it, and flip it upside down. I'm going to change the resizing and set its resize back to what it was originally. And now you're going to resize it up by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to change its height by 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place this within the logo we've already made. Next, you're going to grab the half circle piece right here, and you're going to resize it 7 times. And then once you've done that, you're going to resize it up in height 1. And then place it sort of between the 2 parts of your logo you already have. Grab it again and rotate it this way. Next, grab this square piece right here. Okay, so once you've resized it down in depth by 6, so like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you're going to resize it in width 18 times upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And you're going to place it sort of coming out of your TikTok logo. Actually, we're going to make a modification. Grab this selected piece right here, and you're going to resize it in depth by 1. The half circle piece that's in between the 2, this here, you're going to resize it in depth by 1 as well. And you're going to resize this thing here up in depth 1. And now you can, without grid snap, you can try placing it like that. Now for our last part, we are going to take, you get the half quarter piece at its original size and resize it up by 10. Like that. Get it again, place it a little further down, and then you're going to resize it in depth by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In depth and width, I meant. So in width, also go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're going to take your piece and you're going to, the rotation axis to roll, and you're going to push it over like this, and then you're going to rotate it again so we can place it inside of this piece. Perfectly. Like that. Now take what we built here and place it right here on the TikTok logo. Now our last piece, get the square piece with the rounded edge, and resize it until it fits just around the logo, and turn it black. Black is in the middle of the primitive shape, so color black. And there you go, there's the TikTok logo. Anyway, that's how you make the TikTok and YouTube logo simplified, because I didn't want to make 2 complicated versions. I know that's a colored version of a TikTok logo, but that's too difficult to make into a tutorial. Anyway, that's everything, and that's the thing. Huh? Bye-bye now.